Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let us see another interesting problem, that is write a program to print halo of inverted pyramid pattern by using stars, where n is read in dynamically, where n is the size. Again, we need to print the pyramid pattern only. The size of the pyramid is what? N. So the pyramid is inverted. That means it was in a inverted way. Now we just need to print first half only we just need to print. We don't need to print full. And halo pyramid, that means a space between the pyramid. That means a space is present in the pyramid is nothing but a halo pyramid. So let us see how to solve this problem. So in this, let us see for input 5. The input is 5. For this, let us see how many rows, how many lines of data got printed. Here we can see in first line, totally 5 stars got printed. In the next line, 2 stars and space, hollow space, which occupying the stars got printed. Whereas in next line, here only 2 stars got printed, but a star got not printed. Here 2 stars got printed and here 1 star got printed. So let us try to print at first. What is the given number? Based on that many stars I'd like to print. Let me say 5 stars given. 5 is the value given, so I need to print 5 stars. After that, I want to print only less than one star. That is 4 stars I need to print. I'd like to. Then again, I'd like to print 3 stars. So let us try to print without hollow, without space. Let us try to print. After that, we try to print with space as well. So after that, I want to print 2 stars. After that, I want to print whatever the star that will be left. That will be 1 star I need to print. So let us write a code to print it. So I want, what are the values I want? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So how do I got it? How do I got these values? To get these values, to get these range of values, so to get any range of values, you must need to know few things. That is, where do you start? I am starting at 5. And where do you end? Where do you stop? Or else where do you end? I stops or I ends at 0. Till 0 I need to come, but 0 I don't need to print it. Next, what is your step? How much you are increasing? That is, if I want to move from 5 to 4, I need to increase my step by -1 value. Whenever I increase my 5 with -1 value, then it reaches to 4. In similarly, whenever I want to move from 4 to 3, I just need to increase my step to -1. So in this way, I can get it. Let's say how to find the range of it. To find the range of sequence of these elements, you need to provide the start, stop, and step. That's it. So let us write the for loop for it. For I in range of lines, right? For I in range of, where do you start? You start at 5. And where do you stop? You need to stop at 0. Each and every time, how much step you want to increment? -1. So let me print the I value, whether I am getting the value or not. So let me run it. You can see I'm getting the values from 5 till 1. 5 till 1 I'm getting. So now what I want to do, I just need to print stars. I just need to print stars. How many times? I number of times. So let us run and see. Here you can see stars got printed in the now just only inverted pyramid pattern with the stars got printed. But what I'm asking you, that is hollow stars I want. So let us provide space, because they provided space between each star. So let me run it again. You can see now the space also we got. Now what they asked, they just asked us to print only hollow pyramid. How to remove this space as well as this space? Just think about it. How to remove this space as well as this space? To remove that, what I need to remove? I need to remove these two stars as well as this star. So let us do this by using internal for loop. Let us print the same pattern by using internal for loop. Here what I'm doing, I'm just printing star how many times? I number of times. So let us write another loop for iterating I number of times. I have just written an internal for loop which iterates how many times? I number of times. So each and every time what I need to put? I need to put an space. I need to put an empty space, and whenever line got completed, what I need to provide? A new line I need to provide. So let us run and see whether it is producing same result or not. Yeah, it is producing the same result. Now you can tell me, where I need to provide my stars. This is my line 1. line 1 line 1 I need to provide my stars, right? All I need to provide my stars. And whenever I meet line n, end line, you can say line 1 and line n, or else yeah, line n, last line, you can say I need to print all stars. Yeah, so in first line as well as in last line, I need to print all my stars. As well as you can see in first column 1, you can see in every line in column 1 all my stars got printed. Is it? Yeah, all my stars got printed. I need to print all stars. And at the end of my mm, pyramid, at the end of each row, you can say this is the row, right? In this row, do my first star and last star got printed? Yeah. In the second row, do my first element star got printed and last element star got printed? Yeah. In this third row, do my first and last star got printed? Yeah. In the fourth row as well, my first and last star got printed. So what do you can say? In column as well, first and last column elements I need to print. In row as well, first and last row elements I need to print. So what you can say now? If I is double equals to if I is double equals to 5, that means end. Or I double equals to, what is the start? That is 1. And what is the column? That you can say? J double equals to 0, or j double equals to I. J double equals to 0 or j double equals to I minus 1. Since we are producing a range of I, which indicates what? 0 to I minus 1 values will be generated. 0 to I minus 1 values will be generated. If you want to generate 1 till I values, then you want to use 1 comma I plus 1. In this case, you can see like I want to print my stars from first column and ith column only. First column and ith column I need to print stars. What is the other cases? What about other case, sir? In other case, what I need to print? I need to print an empty space. What I need to print? I need to print an empty space, so that it gonna create me the halo space. Whatever the other cases are. So let us run and check whether we are getting halo. Yeah, halo pyramid. Yeah, you can see the inverted halo pyramid got printed here. I hope this is understanding to you. So let us make it more generalized way. So here you can see my input is 5. My input is 5. For that, I just printed 5 lines of my output. So let me write my input stored in n value, that is 5. So where do I replace my n value? Here in range. I can replace 5 by n value. Here in this line also I can have ability to replace I by n value. That's it. So let me provide 6 here and check whether it is providing the 6 lines of output or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it is working for generalized case. So let us provide my input dynamically. So to provide input dynamically, we need to use input function to read the string data, and then to convert it into integer, we need to use int. So let us provide 4. So you can see my 4 lines of output got printed. 4 lines of inverted halo pyramid pattern stars are printed. In this way, we can even solve any problem by simply visualizing what we want and how do we do it. Simply doing a step by step and rectifying your code bit by bit, and you have to reach to the end to get the solution. In this video, we first generated the inverted pyramid pattern with the stars. First, we have generated that. After that, by using that, we have generated hollow space inside the pyramid by just analyzing my first row as well as my last row. I need to print all the stars, and my first column, whatever the first column, and whatever the last column in the line. So whatever the first column and last column in the row, I must need to print based on, and I must need to print a star, except case what, that is halo, that is inside, right? So that is halo. So inside case I have written in the else part, and whenever I is equals to 1 or n, or j is equals to 1 and j is equals to I need to print my stars. That is nothing but I represents my line, that is my nothing but my row. Whenever my row is 1 or else my row is the last row, I need to print stars. Or whenever my column is first column or else my last column, I need to print a star. That is what we are saying here in I if statement. So I hope this video is understandable to you. So please try to practice this question on your own after watching this video or before watching this video. Whenever you struck, you again need to watch it so that you can able to overcome where you stopped or else where you struck, so that you can able to solve any other problems by your own. So I hope this video is understandable to you. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching again. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Must practice so that you can able to succeed in your future goals. So thanks for watching again.